Hi, I'm Mr. Worker. Starting November 10th, I will launch exclusive Black Friday deals dedicated to Terry, the Italian leader in professional storage solutions. Whether you're organizing your workshop, office, or factory, these deals are perfect for you. Terry has become a symbol of Italian innovation and design in professional storage. From plastic storage boxes and modular drawer chests to indoor and outdoor cabinets, this Black Friday, discover storage innovation made in Italy on Mr. Worker. On MrWorker.com, you can explore the complete Terry catalog, including storage units, plastic storage boxes, shelving units, organizers, and outdoor cabinets. All these storage solutions are now available at special Black Friday prices. Organize your workspace with authentic Terry products, designed for professionals who value quality, durability, and Italian design. Visit MrWorker.com to explore all Terry Black Friday offers and bring efficiency and order to your work environment.
Mr. Worker, work tools for professionals.